In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files for a project in HoneyBook, File Management 2026. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to honeybook.com. You can do this on any modern browser, but for the smoothest experience, a desktop or laptop is best. This ensures you can see the full interface and easily manage multiple files. Next, log into your HoneyBook account. Click Log In. Enter your credentials, and if you're prompted for any security verification, like a code sent to your device, complete that to proceed. Keeping your account secure is important, so be ready to verify if asked. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your command center. It highlights recent activity, upcoming tasks, and quick links to the areas you'll use most. The dashboard gives you a snapshot of what needs attention across your workspace. Now look to the left sidebar. That vertical menu is your main navigation. If the sidebar is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can clearly see the labels. This is where you'll access your projects, among other key sections. Click Projects. This opens your project hub where everything is organized in one place. The layout may show tiles or rows depending on your view, but the idea is the same. Here, you'll see your list of projects. Each entry typically includes the project name, status, and other helpful context. If you have a long list, you can scroll to Browse. Many accounts also show a search or filter area, which can speed things up if you know exactly what you're looking for. Locate the project you want to use. Double-check the title and status so you're working in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Click the specific project to open it. Inside the project workspace, look for the Files option. Selecting Files opens a drop-down on the top right. From there, choose the kind of item you want to add, such as a contract, invoice, or proposal. When prompted, select the file you recently created on your computer. Use your recent files list or navigate to the correct folder, then confirm your choice. Give the upload a moment to complete before moving on. Clear file names help keep things organized, and common formats like PDF, JPG, and DOCX typically work well. If the upload seems slow, check your internet connection and try again. That's it. You've uploaded your file to the right project in HoneyBook, keeping everything tidy and easy to find for your team and clients.